In this short lecture, we'll be discussing possessive determiners. Possessive determiners are actually adjectives that show who or what something belongs to. They can replace a possessive noun or a noun with apostrophe s, and they're always followed by a noun. Here's a list of the possessive determiners. We have singular possessive determiners, and then we have plural possessive determiners. Why are possessive determiners important? Just like pronouns, they allow you to refer to something earlier in your conversation or in your writing, and it reduces repetition. So let's look at an example from a short paragraph on animal communication from Wikipedia. So typically, predators attempt to reduce communication to prey, as this will generally reduce the effectiveness of their hunting. So in that one sentence, we have the noun predators, and then we have this phrase, they're hunting. So this there is referring to the predators hunting. However, some forms of predator to prey communication occur in ways that change the behavior of the prey and make their capture easier. A well-known example is the anglerfish. This is the anglerfish over here, which waits for its prey to come to it. So we have the noun anglerfish, and then we have this possessive determiner, which comes right before the word prey. So this prey is basically belongs to the anglerfish. This its is referring to the anglerfish. It has a fleshy bioluminescent growth protruding from its forehead. So again, we're talking about its is referring to the anglerfish's forehead. And you can see right here, it's talking about this growth, which it dangles in front of its jaws. So its is again referring to the anglerfish. And you can see from the picture, this is hanging in front of the mouth or the jaws. So it's referring to the anglerfish's jaws. So that's a little bit about possessive determiners. Possessive determiners, again, are used in both writing and conversation, and they're used to make the discourse flow more smoothly and reduce repetition.